Let's continue with our cap kit, and welcome again, because it's so important that it becomes an agency process that is non-forgivable. What else? Driver's list to be completed, of course. Referral card to bridge into personal accounts. Referral card for, guess what? Introductions to other business buddies. Don't wait for the end of your survey. Put that up front and come back to it toward the end. You can stop there. You've gone far enough. You don't think you've earned the right to do that? You'd be surprised. Ask, because already you've shown a difference, because my guess is most other agents have a survey form but not going through exactly what's here. Your agency brochure, if you would like, full of quotes, case studies, pictures of your people, things that are going to engage me. Not just things that tell me you're professional, you give me great service, you've been in the community for 200 years. That's important if it's 200 years. But unless it really stands out, that doesn't matter. What matters? List of clients, case studies, your expertise in specific industries. Broker of record letter in plain view with just the comment to make it easy for you. If you're willing to break up with your current agent, all you have to do is sign this letter. Put that in there. It doesn't have to be at the beginning. It doesn't have to be at the end. You have to understand the timing, but that's in your cap kit. That may be the most important document in your cap kit. Finance agreement, a letter on all your payment terms so the buyer understands how it works. No surprises, no surprises, no negative surprises. Business cards with pictures about the account managers in your agency, if you have an injury management person or a claims department, a safety person, a flyer with all of them, individual cards. Make it work for you, but pictures sell. Life estate planning, mutual fund leads if you're in the financial business. List of questions. You know, we have 110 or 120 blue chip questions, and if you don't have those, send an email to Amelia at iwcpro.com and we'll get you this blue chip list of questions. And please, you choose the ones that work for you. You don't send a litany of blue chip questions out. Pardon me. You don't ask a number of intimidating questions. You pick the right ones at the right time to ask. And by the way, we don't say, may I ask you a few questions? We say, may I check a few points? Asking questions can become intimidating. Also, you could have in one thing that was in the past wisdom letter not too long ago, getting paid to quote. That if you don't get the order, but you're able to drive down the cost because the current company matched your bid or went below your bid, that you get some money. So this is a critical part in getting new business the right way and in outmaneuvering the incumbent. See you next time. We're looking forward to it. Hey, thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate you watching this wisdom letter, and especially the cards and letters that keep coming. We'll see you next time.